Hi! In front of me is VIVO X80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, you need to access your keyboard and click on this gear icon. Now select Theme and scroll down. Then you need to choose Show More to see all available ones and click on the best one for you. I will go with that one. Now tap on this switcher next to keyboarders to manage them and choose Apply. As you can see, when I go back, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings and choose this plus icon under My Themes instead. Then select the photo that you wish to apply by clicking on it. If you can find it over here, you can click on those three lines at the top left corner and select one of those sources, like Downloads. Now tap on the photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Now choose Next, adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. I need to correct mine real quick. Adjust brightness, choose Done and manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher. Lastly, choose Apply and go back. As you can see, this time, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!